Presenting data like this at AACR, it's not just a presentation. It's like setting off a giant flare into the night sky for the entire pharmaceutical industry to see. So what happens now?
Okay, first and foremost, partnerships. Big pharma companies are constantly on the hunt for promising new drugs, and a showstopper presentation at AACR is basically the best audition you could ask for. A major partnership could mean a massive influx of cash. We're talking hundreds of millions, which would fast-track everything. For investors, this is huge. It means the company doesn't have to raise money from the market, which is great for the share price. It completely de-risks the path to getting FDA approval and gives a massive shot of confidence that the science is real and the funding is secure. This is how a drug goes from a promising trial to a new standard of care.
Now, you might have heard that Amplia recently stopped a different trial called Amplicity, and it's important to understand this was not a failure. It was actually a really smart strategic move. The problem wasn't their drug, it was the chemo it was paired with. It was just too toxic. By stopping that trial, they essentially proved that the combination they're using in the Accent trial is the right one, the best one. It shows they're focused and making smart decisions, which is exactly what you want to see as an investor. And believe it or not, the story could get even bigger than pancreatic cancer. There's a whole new class of exciting drugs called KARS inhibitors. They're powerful, but one big problem is that cancers learn to resist them over time. Well, early data suggests narmafotinib might be able to block that resistance. And since KRAS mutations are the culprit in tons of lung and colon cancers, well, you can see how this could open up absolutely massive new markets for Amplia. It could become a critical partner drug for a whole range of treatments.
But after all the science and the business talk, it really all boils down to one simple thing. Like Amplia's CEO, Dr. Chris Burns, put it, this data provides new hope for patients who are fighting a really aggressive cancer.
So, with these incredible results now out there for the whole world to see on the biggest stage imaginable, you have to wonder, could this be it? Could this be the breakthrough that patients and investors have been waiting for? The one that finally starts to turn the tide in one of medicine's toughest battles?